How to disable app on Android. Hey guys, in this short tutorial you will learn how to disable app on your Android device. Disabling app can be useful if you have too many apps running in the background or if there are certain pre-installed apps that you do not want to use. To free up some space, luckily disabling apps on Android device is a straightforward process. To get started, open up settings. And here you need to scroll down until you see an option of apps. Tap on apps. Once you're on apps page, again tap on apps. Here open any app you want to disable. I'll open calendar. Once you're on your app info page, you will see an option of disable. Go ahead and tap on it. Then tap disable app. Keep in mind that disabling certain apps may cause other apps to stop working correctly. So that wrap up this tutorial. If you have any question about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.